All right, teachers, this is part 2 of my assignment videos for Canvas. So on my last video, I showed you how to make an assignment. Now I'm going to show you how to make a rubric and tell you why it's kind of nice. So when you have a rubric, it is nice because if you're grading, especially if you're grading in Canvas Teacher, the Canvas Teacher app on your iPad, it makes it super easy to quickly grade something by just tapping on some numbers. All right, so on this sheet, that's not really a math sheet, it's a spelling sheet, I'm going to click on this little preview thing so you can see what the sheet was. Maybe, there we go. And if you look on here, you'll notice that I have, let's say at the top, I have 4 questions, and at the bottom I have 10 questions, so, or 12, like 5 through 12. So there is that. This probably isn't the best example, but I'm just going to use it to show you how to make a rubric. All right, so what you do is, you don't need to be in the edit part of it, you just need to be in the assignment. You click on the plus for rubric. You want to make the name for it, let's say math paper. All right, then right here, you're going to click for the description. All right, and let's say questions 1 through 4. All right, right there. And then down here, I know that there were 4 questions, so that would be worth 4 points. And then on these pluses here, you do the plus, and then this says 2 points. You have to add 2 right here. Click it again, 1 point, add 1 right here. Click this again, 3 points, add 3 right here. So then if you look, it says 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I know the bottom of the page goes from 5 to 12. So I'm going to click right here. And you could duplicate that criteria if you would like to, which is kind of nice, so it can help out on some of your work. And I'm going to call this questions 5 through 12. All right, click right here. And I'm going to, since this is going to be, let's see, there's going to be more points. So I'm going to go, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. It's right there. Sorry, you could hear my children. So we have, I'm going to do the plus sign. I'm going to do 1, 0, 1, 2, plus sign, do 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, plus sign, do 5, 5, 6, plus sign, do 7. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now I have all of them, and that gave me 12 points. And then down here, I'm going to say, use this rubric for assignment grade. And click create grade. Create your rubric. Now, since originally I said it was 15 points, and then it actually is 12 points, I want to say change. So then it's going to change this to 12. All right, so you might be asking, okay, that was a lot of work. Why would you do that? This is why you would do it. All right, when you have an assignment, and let me go to another assignment that I have created, and I might have to embed another video at the end of this so you can see it on Canvas Teacher app, because that's where it's really noticeable. If you have an assignment, like for instance, I have this assignment, my DOL, and it's worth 24 points. So this was just a DOL. It's like an end of the week DOL. And I have 4 sentences they have to fix. So when I am grading it, I already have, like, sentence 1 is worth 6 points. Sentence 2 is worth 5 points. Sentence 3 is worth 5 points. Sentence 4 is worth 8 points. So when I am grading it, let me go to one that I have already graded. Those things are just going to come up on the side, and all I have to do is click the number. So for instance, on this one that we did on Friday, if I go to my speed grader, all right, it's going to show, let's say, view rubric. Let me go to a different student. Find one that is done. Oh, wait, I got to find one that's done. All right, so view rubric. So when I was doing this on my iPad, all I would need to do is click on here, and it would put those points on. It's just one little step making things fast. You could also, if you don't have a rubric, it's just going to have a sliding thing across, like 0 to however many points, and you could slide it, or you could, there's like a plus sign. I think you can click the plus sign and then type it in. I don't know. It doesn't, for me personally, it doesn't take very long to make this rubric, and I think it kind of helps, and it makes it easier when I'm grading things, just to tap it on the side. Again, it's a teacher preference. Maybe if you're in the mode where you're just trying to get it done and it's just like, I don't even want to think about that. That is perfectly fine. I will say some things that are kind of nice is that if you have something that has, let's say they have to write 2 sentences for something and then another, like listing nouns or whatever. You can break up that assignment down here, so then it makes it a little bit easier for the students or yourself to know what it was that they did right or wrong on assignment. So that is kind of helpful. So that is just a little bit about rubrics, and also it saves all your rubrics. So if there's a rubric that you can use in another assignment, you could totally do that. You just have to search for it, like right here. It's this search button, and you just choose which rubric you want to do and add to that assignment. So there you go. That is about rubrics and grading. Hope that was helpful.